So for my base today, I used Illamasqua's Rich Liquid Foundation in white, and I used MAC's 24 Hour Prep and Prime eyeshadow primer. I forgot the name for a second there. Despite using it every day. I brought it way past my eyebrows because, as you know from my other videos, we're going way past the point of no return in the eyebrow department. My base is unfortunately a little bit uneven today because I live on Neptune and my skin is super dry. I tried to get it as even as possible, but hopefully it's not going to get in the way. Okay, I just went back and evened those out because I realised that they were looking really crooked. For all of the colour thus far, I've used the Morphe 35B palette, and for the black it is Jeffree Star's Liquid Lipstick and Weirdo, which a little bit unusual, but it seriously holds all night way better than any eyeliner I've ever used. But for around my eyes, I'm going to be using Illamasqua's gel liner. Precision gel liner. I was gonna say I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but that's what it's called. Mainly because I know some people can use them around their eyes, but I personally find it's pretty heavy around my eyes. But I don't mind using it, the liquid lipstick that is, anywhere else on my face at all. and that's pretty much it. I just evened them out and blended the front a little bit. It's not particularly neat because it doesn't really need to be. I like it looking a little bit messy, looking a little bit crazy, and I just added some more weirdo on my lips, and that's about it. I will say though, I use 2 tubes of weirdo. I use one for my face details and one for my lips because I don't want to cross-contaminate. So if you do plan on using liquid lipsticks on your face, I would highly recommend getting a backup. Because I've seen a lot of people get eye infections and stuff from using it on other parts of their face, and you really don't want that. I also use a brush for parts of my face because I don't want to apply it directly with the doe foot applicator, I think they're called. Thank you for hanging out with me and watching me do my makeup for tonight. I hope you have a really great day or night depending on where you are, and I will be putting up a more complicated video very soon. Thank you.